take a look at the air filter while we're here. I've already removed the tube for access to work on this other side. I just didn't show that. And there's a couple bolts that hold on this cover. Or 3 bolts that hold this cover on. There's 2 of the bolts on the actual intake. Okay, so we have seen the inside of our air intake. And look in here, look at the crud and the crust on this. Now there's one of the things, now this is that Sprint filter I was talking about. And this thing is, again, truly magnificent. If I can get it out of there. It is just full of bees and all sorts of stuff at the moment. Well, maybe. Let me get a hook on it. There we go. Okay, so now, take a look at that. Look how nasty and all the stuff that's in there. And look inside here. It is just gorgeous. Not a speck of dirt, nothing. And we're just gonna blow this out a little bit because that's all you do to these filters. You don't have to do any special cleaning or anything. Now there's a little bit of oil that ends up inside of this, and that's because the supercharger is pulling so much air that it creates a vacuum in the crankcase. And that's okay. Well, we're going to have the bee population out of this thing. I mean, this thing is just nasty, and it will be, and it just filters just fine. And this is all you do. This is all they tell you to do. Take a little air, flow through it. I guess it could. We got a lot of bugs in there. We'll get those out. And good enough. And the filter is serviced. I'm going to wipe out some of the oil and whatnot in here. And again, this is all just nothing but clean and beautiful. It's got a little oil on it.